Hey there, fellow TikTok enthusiasts. Today, I'm going to show you how to use an awesome feature to merge to videos on TikTok using your trusty Android phone. Trust me, it's super easy and will elevate your content game to the next level. So let's dive right in. First and foremost, open up your TikTok app and hit the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Next, tap on the rectangle shade in the bottom left corner. This will launch your photo library. Now, select the photos or videos that you want to merge. Don't worry about their sizes, they can be as big as you like. Once you've selected them, tap on the next button at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a preview of your merged image or video on the editing screen. At this point, you can unleash your creativity and add stickers, filters, or even draw on your merged image or video. Pretty cool, right? And there you have it, a simple guide on how to merge to videos on TikTok using your Android phone. Give it a try and let me know how it worked for you in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this info helpful, and subscribe for more amazing tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.